Today I'll teach you how to solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. So these are the 3 steps. First you have to make the first layer, but a layer does not mean only the side solve, but the entire side and all of these colors aligned here. Wait, what? Did I also solve green at the same time? The second step is we solve all of the top color as same, not the layer. First we have to orient the last layer, then we have to permute the last layer. So there are 7 cases, and then we have to just permute them. So I'll get to the tutorial. Well, the tutorial is not starting yet, but this is what you might get sometimes when somebody twists a corner. What? That's not an OLL case, you might think. And then you might think you discovered a new OLL. Actually, you did not. Yes, you'll be like, oh, so why is this half of... Oh. Oops, I have a big trouble of just making the video. Alright, that's fine. So, after that, just if you think you discovered a new OLL, just twist the corner like this. Like this. Huh? Nahi. Okay. Huh? Okay. So I'm done talking with my father. Okay. So just go ahead and start. Okay, so this is the tutorial. First, we make the first layer. If you're a beginner, you have to always start with that. Just look for a piece over here. So, if it's facing, first let's start with just choose a piece and put that in the bottom, and that's the starting piece. So just find another piece. You need to insert that here. So what you can do is, the algorithm to insert this here is very short, and it's called the lefty algorithm. You have to do this, and that's inserts. You also have to bring it to its slot. Wait, you might think you might not understand where the slot, but here's a simple trick. Just need to take the main corner and make sure that the colors match diagonally from this white corner with the main corner. Then it's on the slot. Just do the left algorithm. Okay, so So see, and if it's facing to the right, we just do a algorithm called the righty algorithm, and it goes like this. Okay, and when it's facing up, then then you can do like 3 righty algorithms, and that solves it. Actually, what you can do is, the shortcut is, you have to do this, then turn it up twice, then bring this down. In that way, we can put it in right, then insert it. And wait, what if you are lefty? So if you are lefty, you can hold it in the left and do L U2 L prime, then put this on the side, put the white sticker on the side, and do the left algorithm. Okay, so let's go to the last layer now. There are 7 total cases. And wait, what? I think I got an OLL parity. Actually, that's for a 4x4. So the OLL parity, I'll just teach in the 4x4 tutorial. And that's the shortcut. Wait. Let's just see them. Okay, so I'm scrambling the cube up. I'm just seeing when will this OLL case come. Okay, so this is the OLL case. If you put the yellow sticker over here on the bottom left, and if the yellow sticker faces you, you do this. Actually, this algorithm is very simple. Well, it's so simple. You just need to do it intuitive. Just take this corner out, put it as back. You put it back here and just open it, slot. Just insert it directly and put it slot back. Okay. What? I'm actually scrambling the cube again. Okay. So here's the case. If you put the sticker over here and the yellow does not face you, you have to put it you to turn away. I mean, you upturn twice away. You have to put it here. So if it's here, just put it here by just doing a double flick or just rotating it 2 times. Wait. What? I don't need to zoom. Okay. Then you need to do the reverse of that algorithm. If you know that the reverse of that algorithm, you have to know. That's how it's the reverse. Okay. Right. I think something's going wrong. Okay, so how to twist these two corners this way? I don't think I know this. I'm actually figuring out the. Okay, I think I got it. Yep, I got it. Okay, so if there are two headlights, like if two stickers are here and they face here, and two stickers are over here and they face here, then you can do the beginning algorithm two times. So it goes like, well, the shortcut is, you have to do this, and that's quicker. I'll teach you how to do that. And there's so many reasons why we have to do that. I think there are 2 reasons or more. Okay, so because when we do that algorithm, we're doing unnecessary moves, like that we don't need to move, and you need to move the up layer again, so that will be a U3. Instead you can do a U prime. Actually, you have to do, and don't do a U3 or what, just do a U prime. That's the shortcut of U3. Wait, what? Okay. So, hey, what did I just do? Okay, so if 2 of them are facing one way and one of them face you and one of them face outwards, you have to do this, the front right leg like this, and this one algorithm we have to, it's the same as the right algorithm, but you also have to add a U prime in this and do that 2 times, then undo that move. And then what is the 5th case? Oh yeah, I got it. I'll try to Alright, so I'm just discovering it. Right, I think I should twist the corners like something or what. Okay, this way. If 2 of the corners are facing like this, and one faces you, one faces this way, just hold it like this, and then just do like something like this, then inserting the righty algorithm with a U prime move, reverse, and that shall solve it. Okay, so what is the next case? Okay, so if there are two stickers in the top layer, one facing you, one facing that way, like a chameleon, just hold them like that, and then just do like the righty algorithm with a U prime move and insert it this way, the other way. Okay, so if two of them are facing like up and these two face that way, just hold them like that and do this algorithm. This is the final algorithm. As if I just taught you 6 algorithms, the last algorithm, I mean not the last algorithm but the last OLL algorithm. Then we'll go to the PLL. So we can do that F move, then the righty algorithm with a U prime move, and then undo the F move. Okay, so done the OLL. So now we're going to do the PLL, permute the last layer. Oh my gosh, when will I do it? Okay, I have an idea. Okay, so if there's one this bar here and nothing else, just hold that bar and just align that bar over here, so you'll know the last turn in the end is a U prime. Always you'll notice. So just align it over here. Then just do an X move, which means just rotate the cube. And Y's, I mean, I'm not teaching Y's and Z's now. So just make sure the white is facing you like this and do this. Well, just move this down, the up here, then move this down. Then the down twice, like we join this, then we join this, and then we put this together. Then we do down twice and right twice. That will solve it. Okay, so now I'm going to the another one. What? What? Okay. I also know the Ortega method. I'll just upload it some days later, maybe months or years. Okay. So after this bar we do. Actually, that's not the method. That's the Ortega method, which I'll upload it later. R2 U prime, B2 U2, R2 U prime, R2. Okay. Wait, what? I used the algorithm correctly. How? How is that even possible? I used the algorithm correctly. Okay. Then this. Okay. So, if two need to swap diagonally, you do this algorithm. We just do almost the righty algorithm with the u prime, almost, but actually instead of the u we do a u prime, then we again do a u prime, then we do f2 u prime, then do the inserting algorithm, then d, then r2. That will solve the whole cube. Now that's a solved Rubik's 2 by 2. And if you want to check the 2 by 2 Ortega method, I'll just upload it